Hey guys, Bennett here from WoodWorks, and today I'm going to show you how to make this ingrain cutting board, so let's go. Okay, so I'm going to be using some cedar shelving that I got off of Craigslist. Now I know that cedar isn't the best wood for a cutting board, but really right now it's all I have and it's a pretty big one, and I'm 13, so I really can't afford like a bunch of walnut or maple at the moment. So let's just get started. Okay, so I'm just gonna start off by using my planer on all of these boards, just so I can get the stain off of all of them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so now I'm just gonna rip off all of these edges on the table saw, and then I'm gonna rip them to like 2 inches. I'm gonna see how much space I have after I rip them. Okay, so now I'm gonna rip each board to 3 inches. And that's how thick the pieces are going to be. Okay, so I set up this stop block at 2.5 inches, and I'm just going to use that, and I'm going to cut off all the cedar planks into 2.5 inches. Yeah, this is going to take a while. This is going to be a lot of cutting, so let's just do it. Okay, so here's what it's gonna look like. I have 8 down this way and 6 across this way. So I have a total of 48 blocks. I had 56 on here, but my longest clamp doesn't reach that far. So I had to take a layer off. But I originally ended up making like 60, but I didn't need that many. So now I'm just gonna glue the entire thing up, and I put it on parchment paper just so that the glue won't stick. So let's do this. Now, I don't really know how I should go gluing this, but I'll figure something out. This is gonna be interesting. Okay, so now I'm just gonna wait for like an hour, and then we'll come back and see how it's doing. And as you can see, I got glue all over my hand, but let's go. Okay, so now the cutting board is all dry, and now I'm just gonna run it through the planer, so yeah. Okay, so I just cut off these edges of the cutting board, and now I'm gonna cut off the long edges, so let's go. Okay, so now I'm gonna sand this to 220 grit, so let's go. It's oil time. This is gonna take a lot of oil. I am out of oil. This thing was like up to here, and it's completely out. That's how much oil this board takes. So I'm gonna order some more of this, but I'm also just gonna get like some normal mineral oil for stuff like this. That's so big that I can't use this nice stuff because I'm completely out now. So I'm just gonna wait for this to dry, and then I'll get back at you guys. Okay, so now that the oil's dry, I'm gonna use this wax cutting board finish, and I'm just gonna coat the top and side with it, so, and the bottom, so let's go. Okay, so here is the finished board. It turned out a lot better than I thought it would be, and I don't know how long it will last with cutting just because it's cedar, but we'll see. I think it turned out great so far. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video.